back to my channel and welcome back to the another video. Now I'm gonna share with you a Geo Indian wear, you can say ethnic wear haul. So in this I'm gonna show you dupattas, I'm gonna show you kurta, I will show you plazo. So stay connected, okay? So first I'll show you my dupatta, and I'll also gonna upload a dupatta video. I have ordered 5-6 dupattas. I'll review them in my next video, so stay connected. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So without wasting time, let's start with the dupatta. So this is a dupatta which I have ordered from Ajio. You can see how beautiful it is. I really wanted to order this kind of dupatta. This color is really soothing, really it gives you summer vibes. Now you will say it's winter season, why you have shopped for summer? Because it was on sale, so why not? I also I always shop in winter for summer and summer in winter, because you get amazing discount on these kind of products. This is very beautiful dupatta. It has this rubber paint. Yeah, it's rubber paint, white rubber paint. I have washed it. After washing it, I am giving you review. So it doesn't come out. I soaked it. I soaked this dupatta in warm water and then washed. Still, it doesn't come out. So I think it's very good. Maybe by the time by using it that it can come out. I'm not sure about it, but for now I have washed it. I have used it, but this print doesn't come out. So it also come with tassels at the end. At the end, you get these tassels. It's very wide, around 1 meter. What we say, I don't know what we say. uh, this, let me fold it and show you how wide it is. So this much I have folded. So these are two layers. You can get idea how wide it is, and it's 2.5 meter long. It's really very pretty. I like the quality of this dupatta very much. This one is from the brand Awasa Mix and Match. Price I'll mention you on the screen. It's really affordable. Next dupatta which I ordered is in the same category, same print, same thing, but the color is different. It comes in two color, pink and that blue, and both the colors are very beautiful. So I have ordered these in two colors, but I made the kurta out of this dupatta. So I got stitched this kurta out of this dupatta. You can see, actually I wanted to wear this kind of kurti for so long, but got this dupatta stitched, and you can see. And please tell me in the comment section how this kurta looks. I'll wear it and pair it with white plazo and white dupatta, and will show you how it looks. You please tell me. You can also get it stitched if you want. If you like my idea, then please tell me in the comment section. So this is how it looks. Okay, next which I have ordered for this is this. What is this? This is a plazo. It is in white color, but it's a wide leg plazo. You can see how wide the legs are. It comes with elasticated band, very stretchable, and this kind of string. No pockets over here. So this is from the brand D2Do, Dare to Dream. D2D, Dare to Dream, and it was originally priced at 460 rupees. Quality of plazo is very good, but the color is really very white. It's kind of white color, which will not going to suit with this, because the print is little off white. This kind of white, bright white. If you want a bright white plazo, you can go for it. It's not that bright, doesn't look like a school uniform, but it will not go with this for sure. So I'm not gonna keep it, or we'll see if I can pair it with any others, my kurta or something. So the size, sorry, it comes in free size. It comes in free size, so there is no size in this, but give you links in description box. If you want, you can get them. These are on sale right now, so price gets fluctuate, price keep on changing. Okay, so this is another plazo. Actually I had ordered 2 or 3 plazos. 1 or 2 plazos I have already showed you in my another video. You can check that. So this is again a wide leg, not that wide, but wide leg plazo. comes with elasticated band string, but this one is from the another different brand, which is Ridha's Craft. One thing I have to say, that they have mentioned uh, on their website that this plazo has two pockets, but doesn't come with any pocket. You can see it has no pocket at all, so it's very disappointing. I have ordered this because of the pockets, because everybody needs pocket these days. So I expected that it will come with pockets, but it doesn't come with pockets, so I'm very disappointed with this. And this is in the size S. Yes, this is in the size S, and the material is really soft, really soft. It's not that bright white, not that bright. If you can figure it out, both of these are little same, but not that same. This one is more brighter than this, and I don't think it will go with my kurta also. Well, this is very off-white kind of white, so I think this can go. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Let me keep it aside. So the next product is this dupatta. The next product is this dupatta. Why I have this order? Because I have to pair it with this kurta also, and the other kurta which I have ordered. So I'll show you later. First I'll tell you about this. This one is from the brand Biba. Biba is very famous brand for ethnic wear, and it's very good. It provides very good quality and designs in Indian wear. So this is how it looks. It comes with the border detailing. So actually I have washed it also twice. It doesn't come out, the glitter doesn't come out at all, which is a very good thing. So this is the design, flower design, and this is how it looks from the other side. Simple design. It has two kind of design, this one and this flower one, right? So it's very soft, and also it comes with this glitter part. I hope you can see the glittery part. So छोटे small glitters you can see. It's really very beautiful dupatta. I must say I got it in a very good price. It's a steel. It's a very good fabric. It's very wide. It's 2.5 meter. Again 2.5 meter dupatta, which is very nice. Next kurta I have ordered is this. So I'm very fond of this print. It gives you summer vibes. And this is the kurta from the brand Ux Clothing. This brand is also available on Myntra, and I think Amazon also. I'm not sure about Amazon, but on Myntra it's available. And the size I have ordered is S, and the original price was $12.99, and I have paid around 400 something. I'll mention everything on screen. The sleeves comes with this kind of detailing border, you can say, and the cotton fabric is very nice. These golden, which you can see, the golden outlining here is a very glittery kind of golden. I'm not sure, I haven't washed it yet, so I'm not sure if it comes out or not, but it really look nice. This is how it back look, simple back, and here Ux brand ka title and S size. So this is the neckline. They have provided you this kind of detailing, button detailing, what we call this, and at the end you get this border, same as they have provided on the sleeves, same border, same sleeves border. So okay, so this is very soothing color for summer, and formal wear. You can carry it in your office also. Very good for office wear, very comfortable, very nice quality. I hope you like this kurti. So this is how it looks. Next video I'll show you a few western wear product also, and a dupatta haul is also coming, so please wait and watch for that also. For that you can subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload my video. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, happy new year to all of you. Okay, wait, I forgot to tell you that it also comes with a pocket. So here it is. sorry. So the pocket is also here, you can check this. So this is really a very good part. If kurta has pocket, that means your half of problem is sorted. You can put your phone, keys, everything in this. Okay, so now you can go. Bye bye, happy new year to all of you.